Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best blender bottle that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle Perfect. This bottle is a great value and my go-to for making protein shakes on the run. I use it consistently for months at a time whenever I'm on a shake kick, and I admit, there's been more than once when I've accidentally neglected a leftover drink in there longer than I should have, and the smell is beyond jarring. But this BPA and phthalate-free bottle has never held onto the foul smell or taste that comes from old protein shakes and has always been immediately good to go after just one wash. The BlenderBottle Classic V2's leak-proof threaded lid has a spout guard that allows you to easily flip it open without germy hands touching where you sip from. It also has an adjustable carry loop and wide mouth, which helps prevent messes if you want to add ingredients. The bottle itself holds 28 ounces of fluids and features measurement markings on the side up to 22 ounces. This budget-friendly yet dependable bottle is an upgraded take on the original BlenderBottle Classic model and offers a rounded base that works with the stainless steel blender bowl wire whisk to break up clumps of powder that might otherwise collect for a more thorough mix. Both top and bottom pieces are also top rack dishwasher safe, making everything about this bottle low maintenance. Number 2, Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle uses a patented Vortex blender design that increases the mixing efficiency as the shaking reverses the rotational direction of the ingredients. This shaker bottle does not need any extra accessories like whisks, mixing bowls, or screens. It blends the mixture well without any clumps. It is made with odor-resistant BPA-free Triton plastic and is safe for use. It can be washed easily in the dishwasher and does not break easily. The sturdy loop makes it easy to carry this shaker bottle. The sturdy design, portability, and efficient blending make Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle one of the best portable protein shakers available right now. The Helimix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is a no-brainer. The helix shape of the bottle is designed to mimic the rotation of a blender as you shake it up and down, leaving you with a silky, clump-free drink. The plastic is shatter-proof and odor-resistant, so you won't have to worry about any lingering smells. Thousands of happy customers have left the bottle a 5-star rating on Amazon. The quality, design, and durability of this bottle are unmatched, one reviewer wrote. There is no need of messing around with cleaning a traditional mixing bowl, which is a huge plus. I use this for creatine and whey protein, and it is thoroughly mixed. Unmatched, one reviewer wrote. There is no need of messing around with cleaning a traditional mixing bowl, which is a huge plus. I use this for creatine and whey protein, and it is thoroughly mixed. Number 3, BlenderBottle Shaker Bottle with Pill Organizer. If you want to maintain your strength gains and fuel adequate muscle growth and recovery, BlenderBottle makes these nutritional demands easier to meet with a busy lifestyle thanks to this ultimate on-the-go shaker with optional interchangeable compartments to carry your protein powder and/or pre-workout wherever you need it. 2 stackable and leak-proof twist-on storage options hold liquids or solids of any kind. The shaker even comes with a nifty pill tray insert that fits inside either of the 2 storage compartments and allows you to take vitamins and pills on the go. Like its sister shakers, this mixer blends by the brand's signature surgical stainless steel whisk, ensuring a smoothly blended shake every time. The loop-top handled lid seals tightly during transport, and all parts can be thrown into the top rack of the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Although some plastic protein bottles have a reputation of trapping foul smells from past powders or supplement drinks, you don't have to worry about that with this 20-ounce glass option. It can also be used as an everyday water bottle without bringing any of those old odors or tastes with it after you make the switch to plain water. Number 4, BlenderBottle SportMixer Shaker Bottle Perfect. Lock in vital beverages with the tight-sealing SportMixer shaker that comes in 2 sizes, a 20 or 28-ounce bottle. Utilizing quality BPA and phthalate-free plastic, BlenderBottle's hybrid mixer meets sports bottle is as great for blending shakes as it is when used as your go-to water bottle. Hang tight to the workout-friendly textured grip of this contoured bottle for a no-slip hold, even in the sweatiest environments. To top it off, the bottle's twist cap fastens shut, promising leak-proof commutes, whether clipped to or tossed in your bag. It opens without germy hands touching where you sip from. It also has an adjustable carry loop and wide mouth, which helps prevent messes if you want to add ingredients. The bottle itself holds 28 ounces of fluids and features measurement markings on the side up to 22 ounces. This budget-friendly, yet dependable bottle is an upgraded take on the original BlenderBottle Classic model and offers a rounded base that works with the stainless steel BlenderBall wire whisk to break up clumps of powder. Number 5. BlenderBottle Radian Shaker Cup Insulated. The BlenderBottle Radian is double-wall vacuum insulated to keep 26 ounces of beverage cold for up to 24 hours. The set is equipped with the classic blender bell, which evens out drink consistency by breaking up clumps and whisking as you shake. This sleek tumbler comes in colorful to classic matte or metallic finishes, travels well thanks to a tapered grip and detachable carry loop, but only fits into some cup holders. Go ahead and toss the lid and ball in the dishwasher, but the stainless steel cup, which is odor and stain resistant, must be hand washed. Starting with water, while storing powder until you're ready for a protein shake or prepping snacks for a busy day ahead, this shaker storage combo keeps everything you need together. Plus, the stackable containers come with their own lid, so you can also use them with the bottle or on their own. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.